What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am the one, the only Hick Albert, back at you with another video. And today, I'm gonna give you a review on this sumbitch. This is a Heritage Rough Rider in 22 LR. It's a single action 22 revolver. The cylinder is clear. There, the cylinder's clear. I cleaned up this gun last night, and today we are going to wax the grips on it. Fuck. Oh shit. There we go. Let me remove this screw. Shit. Hang on. I'll be right. Okay, I'm back. Had to get a different screwdriver. So, you're going to begin by taking this screw off that holds the grips in. And there's a little flathead screw in there. What the fuck? Why ain't that unscrewed? Hang on. Okay, well, it turns out that I will not be removing the screw and removing the grips to polish the, to wax the handle here. What I will be doing, though, I'll still be waxing it. Now, yeah, I know there's specific waxes you can use for guns and blah, blah, blah. But I'm using this here Formula One carbonara wax, or however the fuck you want to say it. It's this fancy ass car wax. It works really good on cars, so it should work pretty fucking decent on a firearm. Hopefully. So it's pretty fucking simple. You take your, sometimes you get a pad, sometimes you don't. I'm going to do it with a piece of toilet paper. And get a little bit of wax on there, you see? And then you just kind of rub it in. It does not take much at all. Don't worry if you get it on the metal, it'll help protect the metal as well. So you just kind of smear that on there. This is a great way to protect a firearm for long-term storage. It also helps bring back the original finish of the firearm. Again, I'm just kind of coating it on there. Not too heavy, but not too light. Yeah, there we go. And then you're going to let that dry. It'll become hazy. It's the best way to describe it. So I'm going to set this down. We're going to have a little powwow now. I have a big issue with the United States government trying to take away my right to vape flavored juices. Right now, I'm vaping some of that lemon nom nom, that bullshit. It's pretty fucking good. It tastes like Tastes like them little lemon head candies. Damn good. I really like this. And the government's trying to take away my right to vape it. You know what I say to the U.S. government? Fuck you. You ain't taking away jack shit. I'm gonna vape this whether it's legal or not. That's all there is to it. I am a 20-year-old American citizen. I am not going to put up with my government's bullshit. If they don't want me to vape this and they make it illegal to vape it, well, I guess I'm going to have to do what everybody else does. Make their own. It ain't hard. Goddamn, you can buy everything you fucking need online. The government is not going to dictate what I can and cannot do as an American citizen. That's all there is to it. Yes, I will follow laws until those laws become outrageous and they infringe upon my rights as a citizen. I am not going to obey any law that infringes on my rights. My right to free speech, my right to bear arms. I'm not going to follow any law that doesn't let me do either. That's all there is to it. And if the government don't like that, tough tits. I know of many American thinkers that think exactly as I do. Sorry my hair's all fucked up. Now, with that being said, let's get back to today's topic. Put these on so I can see a little better. Now, they say when you wax, use a soft cloth to wipe away the wax and blah, blah, blah. Well, toilet paper works just as good. This is some of that Angel Soft, if I do remember correctly. So you know it's soft. And when you wipe it away, focus. Okay, you ain't gonna focus. Anyways, y'all are just gonna have to believe me on this. But when you wipe it away, you will notice a huge difference. And I do mean a huge difference. All that just came off of that gun. All this dirt and the extra wax, all that just came off of here. Now I'm going to do the other side, okay? And you want to keep using clean sections of the cloth. You can do this on any wooden stock firearm. I like to do it on my shotguns. It works very nicely to restore the finish. You see that? Almost looks like a brand new gun. Fuck, my ears ringing. Anyways, oh yeah, I got a new gun. Hang on, I'll be right back. This puppy right here is my Springfield 67F. Keep it loaded with buckshot, just because, in case of home intruders. As you can see, there's nothing in the chamber. The gun is clear. Picked this gun up for $100 at the gun shop. It's got a small crack in the stock. There's a little spot of rust down here on the barrel. And other than that, I mean, it's in fucking damn good shape. The trigger guard's all scratched up, but I don't give a fuck about that. It's a 12 gauge shotgun, okay? I mean, it's a good gun. This gun, I would like to know the stories it could tell me. Now, we're going to do the same exact thing on this gun. Now, after you wax your stocks and what have you, you gotta give it 24 hours to fully cure. Okay? So, again, I'm just gonna take the toilet paper and a little bit of the wax. I'm just gonna rub that in. I like to use a circular motion, you know, old wax on, wax off, Mr. Karate Kid, Mr. Miyagi type of shit here, you know. You know what I'm saying? I find it works the best for lifting dirt and oil and shit. See, that's already getting dirty there. That's how you know it needed it. Again, this is a great way to protect your firearms from, well, when you store them. It's a great way to protect the stocks and what have you from obtaining moisture. It's also, like I said, a great way to bring back the original finish on a stock. It helps shine it. It helps seal it and protect it, excuse me. And, in my opinion, it helps make the gun look better overall. So I'm going to let that dry. Then I'm going to do the same thing. Wax on, wax off. It's as simple as that. Wax comes in many forms. There's specific firearms wax, but it's fucking outrageous to buy. So, I just use car wax. I think I got this big ass container for like $5 or something. It was dirt cheap, that's why I bought it. And, yeah, it works damn good on guns. So, you don't have to put a lot of money into keeping your firearm maintenance up. You really don't. You know, Hoppy's number 9. You can get a bottle of it like this big. It'll last you forever. Vinegar works very well for cleaning and dissolving rust on firearms. And car wax, and honestly, for lubricant, you can use pretty much any kind of fucking oil you can imagine. You can use 530, 1030, 1540. I wouldn't recommend using 20 weight. It's a little too thin. Same with 30 weight. But, yeah. Now, you can tell when this is done curing on it because, like I said, it'll get hazy, you know. It's hard to explain, but hazy, you know. Oh shit, we're running out of time. Anyways, that'll do it for this video. I'll catch y'all mother truckers next time. Later! Damn it.